Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Invest by Dennis channel. Today we are talking about SpaceX. SpaceX joins the Nasdaq 100. Why this is a historical milestone for markets and investors. And this will be effective July 7th, 2026. What is the Nasdaq 100? One of the world's most powerful equity benchmarks. Top 109 financial companies listed on Nasdaq by market cap, tech, biotech, and consumer sector. Global benchmark tracked by trillions in ETFs, mutual funds, and pension capital. 2.45 trillion in linked assets. QQQ alone manages 490 billion. Total pool spans futures, swaps, and sovereign funds. SpaceX record-breaking public debut, June 12, 2026, the largest IPO in history. Capital raised, $75 billion, largest IPO in history. Price range, $135 to $161 on the first day of IPO. 19% on debut day. 1.77 trillion valuation. Initial valuation among most valuable US companies. 15 days. Fastest ever index inclusion after IPO. SpaceX is the first company to benefit from Nasdaq's new fast-track mega-cap IPO rule requiring only 15 trading days before index eligibility. Why Nasdaq 100 inclusion matters. Forced buying, permanent exposure, and trillions in passive capital. Mandatory passive buying. Every ETF and fund tracking Nasdaq 100 must buy SpaceX, no discretion. 14.7 billion initial reshuffling. Estimated buying needs across index trackers at inclusion. Up to 600 billion long term. If float expands 10x, total rebalancing could exceed 600 billion. SpaceX also joins FTSE Russell US indexes at the same time. Linked capital pool trillions. QQQ ETF. This is ETFs, futures, swaps, options, pensions. What this means for investors. Three lenses. Opportunity, risk, and long-term story. Opportunity. QQQ holders automatically gain SpaceX exposure. Index buying creates near-term demand tailwind. 4.3 billion plus in estimated passive inflows at inclusion. SpaceX now part of major retirement portfolios globally. Risk to watch. Lockup expiration could trigger selling wave. Small float. 4.3% makes price highly volatile. 25 billion in new and secured debt raises leverage concerns. Value may outpace and tech convergence embedded in benchmark. Starlink broadens SpaceX beyond launch services. First space company in Nasdaq 100 history. Signals commercial space as mainstream investment. Key takeaways. SpaceX is now part of your index fund, like it or not. On July 7th, ever, with 2.5 trillion in linked assets forced to rebalance, this reshapes passive investing worldwide and places commercial space at the heart of the most watched tech benchmark. IPO price $135 a debut. Nasdaq 100 entry July 7, 2026. Estimated passive inflows 4.3 billion. Guys, this is the Invest with Dennis channel. If you like this analysis or if you want more videos like this, please feel free to like and subscribe. Please share the word and let's build wealth together. Peace and blessings to everyone. Have a good one. Ciao.